Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check your computer for 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space WLAN space show space drivers. (802.11b, 802.11g, 802.11n supports 2.4 GHz. 802.11g, 802.11n supports 2.4 GHz. 802.11a, 802.11g, 802.11n supports 2.4 and 5 GHz bandwidth. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.